Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to approve a milestone on Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you like the work of an individual. How do you actually go ahead and approve the milestones so that they can be paid? So here we are in one of our contractors' work. He recently just did a video editing video for me. And so we've already requested the payment for the milestone in the amount of $50. So in order to actually approve this milestone, what you're going to do is hop onto the message in which the contractor that you're working with, and then click on view details. And then from here, you're going to see this button if you scroll down that says review and pay. So this is for the milestone that is $50 and it's already been activated and funded. So go ahead and click on review and pay. And then from here, you're going to see the pay amount and you have an option to actually add a bonus. So here you would just click on pay now. So that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and approve and pay out a milestone on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.